Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're in the Virgin Hotel in Glasgow and this is the Grand Chamber King. Took me about 3 tries to say that, but yeah, Grand Chamber King. And we got this room for an absolute steal of a price. Stick around to the end and we'll discuss that a little further. But without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to start things off here at the door. We do have a fire escape plan, evacuation plan as they've called it, and a little peephole just there on the door. We've got our locking system there and below as well. And on the wall we do have these little touchscreen light controls. And just to the side we've got a lovely open wardrobe where you can find safe. There's a storage drawer there, open it up. You can find a hairdryer and there's this laundry sack. And inside there are some prices. I'll just quickly scan over it. Feel free to pause. Yep. And just below that as well, there is also some extra pillows for the room. Inside the wardrobe, we've got an iron board and some dressing robes, bathrobes, bathrobes with some complimentary slippers as well. A little bit more storage up above, and just next to it we have a beautiful dressing table sink area. This area itself is the dressing room and this is the full room. I'm only kidding. The actual room itself is behind this full length mirror, which I'll show you in a little second. I wanted it to be a nice surprise for you guys. But I'll start off at the sink again. Beautiful sink. Please excuse the flickering, it is the frame rate on my camera. We do have some complimentary toiletries, orris and violet leaf soap. There's some hand lotion and there's also hand wash there as well by Aaron. Very nice. Got some tissues in the corner, plug socket there, and there's controls there for the lighting on the mirror too. Got a little seat as well, just on wheels, nice and easy to move, and there's a bin below too. Couple drawers there for some storage, not that you need more, they've given plenty of storage here. And just below that as well, there's also towels. Behind me, we've got these 2 doors. 1, 2. The first one, if I open it up, this is where you're going to find the toilet. Plenty of toilet roll in there. Another little bin in the corner, and a little bit of Scottish artwork. Did ye aye? Nice touch. And the lighting controls are just on the wall. All the lights in here are on these sort of touchscreen pads. Very modern, if I do say so. And this one, really nice, is the shower area. So you've got a handheld shower on the wall, and up above there's the rainfall head. There is a seating area in here. It's the first I've actually seen that in a hotel, and I do really like it. It's all tiled. I like the walls as well. Nice beautiful tiles. There's a bath mat there and some more complimentary toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, and there's also a shower gel as well. They're all by Aaron. And the controls to turn the shower on, in case you're wondering, just on the wall there. Now, next up, I'm going to take you through that door there and into the main part of the room, so prepare to be amazed. And if I slide back the door here, this is the room. It is absolutely amazing. I just love the vibe that they've went for here. It's very clean and it's very modern. I'll just give you a brief little overview and then I'll take you around and I'll show you some of the features up close. Now I'll start off again at the door because it does close back over. Slide it over and there's a little bit of privacy. However, I did notice this, which is a little bit creepy actually. There's a peephole here and it does look right back into the dressing room area. So that's slightly strange. But yeah, I'll get on with the rest of it. First thing you're going to notice when you come into the room is there is this little mini bar area and it is stacked with what I like to call goodies. There's crisps and popcorn under there, there's chocolate, there's shortbread, and what are these? Oh, it's olives. Never seen that before in a hotel, but there's olives, and none of that is free. Please remember that if you come here, if you do have any of this stuff, they will charge you for it. And inside here as well, there is a fully stocked mini bar, which I'm going to assume is not free either. However, the stuff here is, we've got some caramel wafers, a personal favourite, got plenty of teas, there's milk, there's coffee bags, there's decaf ones as well. The alcohol up above is wine, there's vodka, coffee, rum, gin, tequila. You have to pay for those, obviously. And there's this ice bucket. The Schlur is ours, they didn't provide that, but there's an ice bucket. Along the hallway there is an ice machine and we filled it up. Bought a bottle of Schlur, as you do, and we've put it in the ice bucket to cool it down. There's a kettle in the back corner, and yeah, I just thought that was a really cool feature to this room. It's very retro, looks quite retro with a Smeg fridge on there and the sort of gold finish. It's giving me a really 80s kind of retro vibe. There's some nice artwork on the wall, and in the corner we do also have a beautiful house plant, and it's actually real. It's real soil in that pot, beautifully positioned. It just adds that little accent of life to the room. And there's some more artwork just over there. We've got this nice couch. It's shaped like a giant kidney bean. It's lovely and it's really, really comfy as well. I've sat on there. We've got this marble table with some complimentary water and this little magazine here. I'll open it up, give you a little view inside, and it's just some hotels that I'm assuming Virgin own, Virgin limited edition, the collection. If anyone knows, let me know. I'm assuming Virgin own all the hotels inside that. We've got some nice lamps at the side of the beautiful bed. I've said the word beautiful quite a lot, I'm noticing, but that is just, there's no other word to describe it. It's a really, really nice room. The bed, I can't wait to try that out tonight. It looks extremely comfy. On the far side, quirky little touch, but there is a red phone, a little notepad, and we do have a digital clock here. There's some lighting controls at the side, as well as plug sockets, USB ones, and very nice, there's USB-C plugs. So that's really modern as well. Not often you see that. The other side, very similar. Didn't show you that, but it's near enough the same. There's plug socket below, and we've got the USB ones as well, and the controls. I've got these little reading lamps on the wall. Give those a little click. Nice. And above the bed as well, we've got this artwork. And the bed does look onto the really big flat screen LG smart TV. You'll find some information about the hotel on there, and what I like to see is you can, that squeak, that was my shoes on the floor. It's a nice laminate flooring. A nice laminate flooring? It's nice laminate flooring. But yeah, on the TV, as I was saying, there's the option to cast your phone. You can cast Netflix, Disney, Amazon, you know the score, YouTube. If you're watching Forest Thrills, definitely do it in a Virgin hotel. Add some style. But yeah, you can cast your phone on there. And my favourite part of this room, with most hotels, if you've seen our videos before, is pull back this curtain, the view. Hold on just now and I'll turn the lights out and I'll show you this. Lights are out and the view from this room is amazing. You can see right out over Glasgow. We're up on the 7th floor and it is amazing. Over there is the train line. You can sometimes see the trains leaving Central Station, and that below is the River Clyde. I'm not sure what the name of that bridge is, it always slips my mind, but very American vibe to it. Amazing views. I'll turn the lights back on though, and we'll round up this room tour and review. There we have it, guys. You've seen the room. Let us know down in the comments, what do you think? You can probably tell from when I was showing you around, but we absolutely love it here. Now, back at the beginning of the video, I mentioned price and that we got this room for an absolute steal. Well, I think it was a steal anyway. We paid £138 for the one night stay here. It was a Sunday. I should mention we booked it through booking.com as well. It was a Sunday though, so there's always that, but £138 for what is here, I feel is a fantastic deal. From the moment we entered this building, the service has been fantastic. 10 out of 10. We were greeted as we came in. The woman that checked us in and got us to our room, so friendly, very helpful, full of information, and the room itself, beautiful. It's immaculate, it's modern. I can't speak any more highly of this hotel. Also, I'll show you right now, but I did get room service last night. That was the Reuben and it was delicious. The biggest sandwich I've probably ever eaten. Again, 10 out of 10. I can fully recommend trying the food if you guys decide to stay here. So if you've watched to this point and I haven't bored the life out of you, then please drop a thumbs up on the video. Really helps us out. If you like what you've seen as well, please click down below and click subscribe. We've been Forest Thrills, and until next time, see you later.